Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to day 24 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every single day for 30 days, building to a beautiful choreography. So if you celebrate Christmas, happy Christmas Eve. I hope you're doing something nice with your family if you do. And a nice way to start the day might be to do this fun combination. So the move today is very high energy, very dynamic. I often use it in drum solos where I really want to show that crescendo building. It is our twists with a different floor pattern and lots of movement. So remember, with your twists, you're just staying nice and upright, but you're twisting through your hips. So you're bringing one hip forward, then the other. And then we're adding a step into it. So as our hip twists forward, we're stepping that foot forward. Then as our hip twists back, we're stepping that foot back. So it's forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Let's try the other way. Forward, back, forward, back. So it's like the hip is mimicking the feet to make it more belly dancing. Good. This one I like to do up on my toes just to make it a little bit more dynamic, a little bigger. And today we're coming over to the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from here, you are keeping that front foot in front the whole time as you step around, coming around in a circle. So watch my feet. Well, let me see so you can see my feet. You're keeping that foot in front, and each time you're changing your weight, you're coming into a step. Let's try it the other way, just that part. As well, if this doesn't feel good for you up in your feet, feel free to come down, especially if you want more of an earthy dynamic, depending on what music you're dancing to. Good, so it's 4 forward and back, moving to the side, 8 around in a circle, then 4 forward and back, moving to the other side, and 8 around just with that foot in front in a circle. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Twist, 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 twist other way. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Twist, 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 twist. Yeah, so really, really high energy with this combination. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments what you thought. Okay, so it's the time you've been waiting for, where we bring our combinations for the past few days in together for our choreography. So we're starting to the side. We come so here, feet shimmy. So here, feet shimmy front. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crack, crack. Around, around, and up. From here, we're coming back into this part, which I know we've done twice now. This is the last time we're doing it. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back around, and heads, feet shimmy, around, and shimmy up. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back around, and shimmy up. Feet shimmy, feet shimmy, feet shimmy in a circle of yourself. Hip drop Sadie, down, up, down, down, release, down, up, down, down, release. Jewel, jewel. Big hip circle, dropping down, release. Step forward, step, step. Undulate, undulate. Feet shimmy back, feet shimmy back. And this time we're adding the accents into coming around and up, over, and shimmy. 8, 8, 8. Undulate, undulate, flick, 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 and shimmy up. So shimmy up from here, up in 8, up in 8, up in 8, up in 8, swoosh, 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 and using all the space that you have. Good. Little shimmy up, then coming into our twists. 4, 3, 2, 1, around, foot in front, stays in front the whole time for 8. And other side, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and around. Keep that foot in front. Nice. And then we stay here. We do a nice, big, long, strong shimmy. That's it. So here, down, down, feet shimmy across. Down, down, feet shimmy center. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, circle, circle. Hip drops, drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. Push back around and head. Circle and shimmy up other side. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. Push back. Feet shimmy. Get ready for hip drops. Down, up, down, down, release. Down, up, down, down, release. Jewel, jewel, release through. Oh, so good. Step, step, undulate, undulate, feet shimmy back. Other way. Ready for accents. Arm up, leg across, and shimmy. Figure eights. Down, 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 undulate, undulate, flick, flick, flick. Sweep it over. One more. Now back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. And twist right. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now little circle. Forward, 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 forward. Other way. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. A little circle. Let that brain relax and shake it all out. Really strong shimmy here. Keep it going in your knees. Really, really strong. That's it.